Imagine this, you're going about your day when suddenly everything stops. The wind dies down, the oceans freeze in place, and the sun hangs motionless in the sky. What just happened? The Earth has stopped spinning. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if it really happened? What would life be like on a motionless planet? Buckle up, because today we're exploring one of the most mind-bending what-ifs in science. What if the Earth stopped spinning? First, let's talk about why Earth spins in the first place. Our planet rotates because of the way it formed about 4.5 billion years ago. As dust and gas collapsed to create Earth, the conservation of angular momentum set it spinning. Today, Earth completes one full rotation every 24 hours, giving us day and night. But what if that rotation suddenly stopped? The consequences would be catastrophic and fascinating. Let's break it down. If Earth stopped spinning, the first thing you'd notice is chaos. At the equator, Earth's surface is moving at about 1,000 miles per hour. If it stopped, everything not nailed down would keep moving at that speed. Cars, buildings, even people would be flung eastward like rag dolls. But that's just the beginning. The atmosphere would still be moving, creating winds faster than the strongest hurricanes. These superwinds would scour the planet, flattening everything in their path. It would be an apocalyptic scene unlike anything we've ever seen. Without rotation, Earth's day-night cycle would vanish. One side of the planet would always face the sun, while the other would be trapped in eternal darkness. On the sunlit side, temperatures would soar to unbearable levels, possibly reaching over 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Oceans would evaporate, turning the land into a scorching desert. Meanwhile, the dark side would plunge into a deep freeze, with temperatures dropping to hundreds of degrees below zero. The only habitable zone would be a narrow twilight band between the two extremes, but even there, survival would be a challenge. Earth's rotation also shapes our oceans. The centrifugal force from spinning pushes water outward, creating the bulge at the equator. If Earth stopped spinning, that water would redistribute, flooding the poles and leaving the equator a barren wasteland. Imagine entire continents submerged while new land emerges at the equator. Coastal cities would vanish and the map of the world would be redrawn. The redistribution of water would also trigger massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, adding to the chaos. Life as we know it would be devastated. Most plants and animals couldn't survive the extreme temperatures or the lack of a day-night cycle. Humans might cling to survival in the twilight zone, but even there, resources would be scarce. Agriculture would collapse without predictable sunlight, and the constant storms would make travel nearly impossible. Humanity would be forced underground, relying on technology to survive in a hostile new world. Over time, Earth would become a lifeless rock. The atmosphere might even freeze on the dark side, leaving the planet exposed to deadly cosmic. Thankfully, Earth's rotation isn't going anywhere, but imagining a world without it reminds us just how delicate and interconnected our planet's systems are. From the air we breathe to the oceans that sustain us, everything depends on Earth's spin. So what do you think? Could humanity survive on a motionless Earth? Or would we be doomed to extinction? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing explorations of science and the universe. Until next time, keep looking up and keep wondering about the incredible world we live in.